Hello friends, a very warm welcome to our YouTube channel. In our previous video, we have tried to highlight general signs and signals and symptoms of black magic. If you have not been able to go through that video, you should go and have a view of that video so that you can find whether you are affected with black magic or not. Now, if you are feeling that someone has cursed you, someone has put hex on you, or someone has hexed you, or any other kind of black magic, including spirit, bad eye, evil eye, voodoo, Haitian, Mexican, obsession, or any other kind of negative spell which you feel that somehow has been put on me by my relative or my friend or by my enemy, then this is the right way to find whether someone has really put the black magic or not. In this method, you need one lemon. A yellow color lime or lemon would do it for you. Now, you need to start this method on Monday morning. On Monday morning, around 6 a.m. of your time, after cleaning yourself, that is after having a bath, you will have one yellow lemon which is quite fresh. You need to write down your name over this lemon with black marker pen. Must make sure that you are writing with black marker pen your first name, not your surname. On Monday morning, after washing yourself at 6 a.m. in the morning of your own country, whether you are based in China, in the UK, in the European Union, or wherever you are based. In your country's morning 6 a.m., you need to perform this step. Once you have wrote down the name of yours over the lemon with the help of black marker, you are going to round that lemon, circle that lemon over your head 11 times in a clockwise or anti-clockwise direction. In any direction will not make any difference. Once you have rounded this lemon over your head 11 times, you need to call the angels. You need to ask help from Almighty God. By reciting these words that, "Hey Lord, whatever negative energy is there around me, please show me. Please show me the extent of negative energy. Please show me who has done this negative energy on me." You need to pray to your Almighty God. Then after this, you need to circle this lemon over your belly button 11 times. Once you have circled it over your belly button 11 times, again you are going to pray in the same manner that, "Hey Lord, whatever wrong is there with me, please show it to me. Please tell me who has done it, how powerful it is." Pray to your Almighty God. On whomsoever you have belief, This is not any religion specific prayer, not any God specific prayer. You belong to any religion. You just need to ask your angel, your Almighty God, that please show me who has done it, when it was done, how it was done, why it was done. After this, you need to circle this lemon again 11 times over your knees, and you have to recite the same prayer. In the last and the final phase of this, you are going to circle this the same lemon over your toes 11 times. And you need to ask the same question, same information from Almighty God, that please give me who has done this, when it was done, how it was done, why it was done. As soon as you have finished the 4 phases, that is, in the first phase you are circling it over your head, then praying. In the second phase you are circling it over your belly button, then praying, then over the knees, and at the last and the final phase you are circling the lemon over your toes. Once you have done this, you will be able to see the color of the lemon has got diminished, or the pulp of the lemon, skin of the lemon has got so much soft. The hardness which was there, the bitterness in the lemon which was there, has completely got wiped out. Now, in some cases, this is quite crucial and important information. You would be able to see the name and the face of the person who has practiced this curse or hex or black magic on you, because that lemon would be containing either the shadow of the face, it would be like a girl with a curly hairs, or would be a girl with big eyes, or a small nose with big forehead, something like this. A appearance of the girl or a boy would be there, depending upon the gender and the physical appearance of the person who has done this on you. In some cases, the name of the person would also come over this lemon. And in some fortunate cases where your aura is so strong, you will be able to get the name and the face of the person whosoever has done this. But the clear-cut indication would be there as soon as the hardness of the lemon has got melted, the skin or the pulp of the lemon has got changed or got vanished completely, or some stains, black spots, blood spots, red spots have started incurring on the lemon. It is a clear-cut indication that yes, you are affected with black magic. Now, the next question. If you know who has done this black magic, or you have a clear-cut idea that yes, black magic has been practiced, then how to remove this black magic, or what we need to do with this lemon. or this instruction, kindly wait for some time. In our next video, we are going to tell you how to remove the black magic with one lemon in just a fraction of a minute. Till that moment, you take care. If you need any other information, please feel free to ask us. We will be highly obliged and privileged to answer each and every questions of yours. Till that moment, you take care. God bless you. Thank you.